G'day guys, Josh from Dodgy Dailies here. We're here working on my mate's Beamer E36, doing the radiator on it. Got a bit of a head start on it because the bastard was still asleep, and I wanted to get his permission before I recorded his car. So we're doing the radiator on it because he had this brake, and he also had the notorious BMW E36 fan explode. So that took out a lot of different things. I've also got Steph here giving me a hand today because I think Max is off chasing off other parts for the cars. So yeah, that's where we're at with this one for now. So on this E36, he's told me that we're also doing a lower control arms. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got a big bend in it, and it really shouldn't. Someone hit him the other day and messed it all up on him. So we're going to rip that control arm out and go see one of our mates who has multitude of E36 parts and see what he's got. Yeah. So to remove this control arm, you've got to undo these two 16s, this pain in the ass of a bolt up in here, yep, that one there, and then just bash out the ball joint and it'll should just fall out really. Oh, also the sway bar, yeah. Got back from our mate's house to get the parts, but because he's got that much crap at the moment, we couldn't find him. So I'm just dropping Ronaldo off at home, and he's going to head back to our mate's place to look for him, and I'm going to go back to my place and pull arms off my car. That way we have some in case he can't find the ones he needs. So I'll just pull them off my spare shell. But I'll catch up with you tomorrow, and this video will just be a continuation. And so it'll be 2 days in one video, and yeah, we'll go from there. Coming! Stop! Oil pump. Alright, it's the next day now, and I've gotten the arms out, and I've also had a dog get into my yard overnight, and come here buddy, come here, and I'm just waiting for the vet to open so I can take him back, get his microchip checked before I can go down to Rinalds and stop it. Why do you like me so much? I'm not even your owner. So I can take him to the vet, get his microchip done, and then I can go down to Rinalds. It's just the vet doesn't open for another hour, so yeah. I'll get down there, get all that shit done, and go from there. Alright, the owner of the other dog has now come and collected it. The owner started wandering the streets looking for his dog. So little Josie can come outside again. So we can head down to Rinalds now and get these arms into his car and a new fan shroud. I had one laying around. His ones had seen better days, so I'm just going to chuck that in for him. Yeah, so we're going to head off to Rinalds now, and I'll record some more when I get down there. So the beam is all back together now. Radiator's in, bled, arms are in. Turns out the one I had was a little bit bent as well. But I'm just going to wrap this video up because, oh yeah, we'll get back into it one day. But for now, that's the video on Rinalds' car. He's just got 328 convert, M3 bumper, genuine BBS wheels, nice wood grain interior. He's locked it again. Light leather, wood grain. A little bit of a crack in there, but whatever. That's standard usually for verts. He's even got the M3 diffuser. He's got a nice aftermarket exhaust on it as well. I just don't remember what brand it was. But for now, it's going to stay on jack stands. So, yeah, I think I'll finish up recording with his car. So, yeah, like, subscribe, hit the ding dong button. If you don't like it, tell us why. Simple as that, really. See ya.